Now let us talk about adding a pick list here. So for that I am looking for a pick list component. Okay, I give it a label gender. Now there are values which I want to show in the drop down, right? So I go to choice and click on new choice resource. This is important. One thing which we created is variable. This time we are going to create a new resource and the resource type is choice. I have three more resource type here in the list: collection choice set, record choice set, pick list choice set. Okay, we will talk about it, but right now I am focused on choice. And let's read this line: create a choice option to be used in a screen component. So that is what my requirement is. I have a screen component and I want to give a choice option, okay, in the gender pick list. So that's why I'm going with the choice. So I click choice and give an API name, then the value. Okay, so this is what you see on the screen as a pick list drop down. This is the value in the backend and data type is text. So that's it, done. Then I have another choice to add over right here. I give it as female and then the value. Okay, and then there is another choice which is choice. I write other gender and same goes in the label, it goes other, and in the choice value also it goes other. Save, done. So before I click done, I just want to show you how this picklist component looks like. These are the choices and you can set the default value. Say if you want to set default as male, okay, and then you can choose the visibility, component visibility. You can also add the help text and again the same advanced section. Okay, now done. Save my changes and run. So this is how my picklist component looks like, where male is the default selected value, other values are female and other. So with this we have discussed about how to show the picklist with the help of choice. We haven't discussed record choice collection choice set. That's all we haven't discussed yet. Okay, this is another important thing to discuss and we will do it very shortly. Okay, now going back to the screen component, let us add another section down here. I'll add another section and give it a header, other details. Okay, let's configure the column this time with the full width, or maybe we can go with the 3 columns and mark it done. Okay, and let us place something inside these. So I will have one currency field where I will ask the student to enter the family income. Okay, and let's give some help text. Enter family income in US dollars. Okay, and that's it. Next, let us look at some other fields which we have not used, like phone, or maybe phone I think I have used, right? No. So phone, just give the API name mobile phone. Okay, any pattern you want to set, that can be also done, and you can have some placeholder, right? So like 999 999 9990. So this kind of placeholder you can keep, whether you want to make it read only, required. So let's say required is true. Okay, now that's it. let's add another field. Now this time I would like to add there, let's add this toggle and give it a name. We'll call it applying for loan. Or just let's call it need loan. Okay, or I'll specify it need education loan. Okay, give it API name education loan check. Then when it is active, that means when toggle is moved to the right hand side, what do you want to display? I want to display yes. And when it is disabled, I want to display no. Okay, it's when it is inactive, I want to display no. And if do you want to control this toggle with the help of a variable, then you can set that default value. So for example, I want to set the default value, for example I want to set it true by default, so I can set it true. You can control it with the help of boolean variable as well. Okay, and that's it. Saving my changes. Now let's run it. So see, we have this UI build up with the help of flow. Here I can just cross this. Maybe we should go with the, let me just click on the section and remove another column, and let's stick with these two. Okay, all right, just to make it look better, and then run. Fine.